Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about my role as a experienced designer at the Vancouver Biennale, 2, what it was like to work in an international multidisciplinary team, and 3, my key takeaways from this experience. The Vancouver Biennale is a non-profit creative organization whose mission is to exhibit great art in public spaces, creating a catalyst for learning, community engagement, and open dialogue. Some of their creations include sculptures and public art pieces that are thought-provoking, playful, and public. I'm nearing the end of my degree program as a design student in the Interactive Arts and Technology program at SFU, and I worked as a user experience co-op at the Vancouver Biennale during the summer of 2021. I was involved with the Biennale's massive 19,000 square foot AR installation, otherwise known as Voxel Bridge. Voxel Bridge is located underneath the south end of Vancouver's Cambie Bridge, and this bridge was transformed by artist Jessica Angel into a large-scale public art installation and blockchain-based augmented reality experience. The work takes the form of a massive 2D vinyl mural that wraps the pedestrian walkway, supporting columns and underside of the bridge. With the use of the Vancouver Biennale app, visitors can walk through the mural and use their cell phones to dive into an interactive digital wonderland that is centered around understanding the blockchain and the Kusama network. My role as the main UX designer on the team was I worked to create a seamless mobile experience for the Biennale app. I designed all the wireframes and interactions that didn't involve AR, as well as other marketing materials such as mockups for the web and Apple Play Store. I identified and focused on two main insights. First, a need for scalability, and second, create an accessible app for an audience with a wide range of technological abilities. Since this was the sole app representing the Vancouver Biennale and its projects, the interface had to be designed with this in mind so it was able to support future projects. I was able to design with scalability in mind by incorporating a project carousel, which addressed the Biennale's need for scalability by providing a location where future projects could easily be addressed, without having to restructure the information architecture of the app. Each slide of the project carousel features a photo, brief information about the project, a button to find more information, and a call to action, the Go Play button, which can be accessed when located at an AR exhibit. Regarding the audience, it was very important for me to consider how many different types of visitors would come to view the augmented reality because it was located in a public space. So I was able to categorize these users into two different categories, those who were familiar with AR and those who were unfamiliar. The design solution that emerged from this insight was an onboarding process that quickly introduced users to the main components of AR with descriptive photos and short GIFs. And this onboarding experience pops up the first time a user clicks Go Play at a new location, and it can be skipped, so for users who are already familiar with AR. The users can also revisit the onboarding pages by tapping on the info icon in the top right corner while in the play mode. The main objective of the onboarding was to give users a quick overview of how to interact with the AR, and they are guided to scan a QR code, physically move themselves and their devices around to view more augmented reality objects, tap the AR objects to reveal more information, and to tap or hold the circular capture button to take a photo or video of their experience. The Voxel Bridge team had a couple main players, the first being the Vancouver Biennale, which I was working for, but also artist Jessica Angel, who is a Brooklyn-based artist, and she visualized the entire concept of Voxel Bridge, and she is currently trying to inspire all kinds of enthusiasts to embrace blockchain technologies to create ambitious art projects. And then there was Spheroid Universe development team, and they developed the app and the AR for the project, and as well as the Kusama network. All of the information in the AR experience was about the Kusama network and their blockchain technologies. And finally, the Premiere Graphics team, they created all the vinyl and installed it on the ceiling and the ground and the columns. I was very fortunate that I was able to be a part of this team. I participated in many of the important meetings, and I was entrusted to be an advocate for the user experience of the project, which I really enjoyed. However, working with an international team made it so that only the Vancouver Biennale portion of the team was actually located in Vancouver, where the Voxel Bridge project is physically located. As a result, in addition to my duties as an experience designer, I also did a variety of tasks. I took drone footage during the installation and launch days for documentation purposes, and I helped to coordinate app testers to test the AR component of the app under different lighting conditions, and I also did more mundane jobs such as painting and creating marketing materials. So this experience left me with two main takeaways. First, I realized the value of working on a project that's very multidisciplinary. This project combined 3 disciplines together: AR, art, and technology, or the blockchain, and this unusual combination led to a really creative, unique project. For me, this was a really good learning experience on just how to create a creative project and how they come to exist. And second, I realized just how much you can create with a smaller sized team, especially if everyone has different strengths and everyone takes on multiple different roles. And working with my team really showed me what you can accomplish if you're determined and you have a plan. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope it was interesting. Thank you for coming to the conference.